paid $100 for this hardware, along with this hardware on the other side, just to mount the Bimini top using the VersaTrack system that comes with these boats. It's pretty nice. Anyway, I laid out the bars. I tested made sure I got the right width. And the top is going to match the boat more or less. Well, yeah, not exact. This here is a boot. That's for putting the top in when it's down. And I'm little by little attaching shit. I don't know what I did. I must have turned it off somehow. At any rate, front seat, trolling motor, that's an anchor winch, side console, pilot seat, regular seat, milk crates, big old motor, and I paid $100. Yep, what is it? April 10th, I think. I am out in my yard. It's closing on 70 degrees if it hasn't gone over. And uncharacteristically trying to do stuff. I've been in the greenhouse, did a little watering, moved a couple of tables around, and I unboxed my... I warmed it up for 5 minutes. Getting ready to open that drain plug now, drain the oil. Well, it actually shot all the way past the tank. But I caught it quick, and now it's all draining. There's not much spilled. Let it run for a few minutes. It's just a little lukewarm from a 5-minute run. Gonna bought one of those packaged oil changes for it. Comes with the oil, little scooper thing, some other things. Got to get some napkins here. Well, it all drained out, but then just for shits and giggles, before I'd messed with the filter, I decided to lower the tilt and turn it all the way to the stop. And got to be another ounce or two that came out. So I'm still holding off, waiting for it to finish draining. But I will start taking the filter off. The kit comes with this little dinky thing here. Goes underneath to catch oil. I'm also going to stuff a rag in there. Keep it clean. Using this pliers thing, see how hard it is to turn. Oh, not so bad. When I did this with my motorcycle, we had to literally break that filter into pieces to get it off, and it was a very similar filter. I don't know if I can turn it out by hand now. Let's see. Oh, still a little too tight. Get the pliers back on it. Okay, pretty sure I can do it now. Make sure this is up in place. I think that rag might actually be getting in the way of it. Push it back down a bit. I see oil. It's filling up the yellow thing. The filter is off. Wonder if I can let's lift this out like so. Turn it down here. Yeah, oil's still pretty clean. You know, I've owned this boat for about 3 years, I'm guessing. That's where that's supposed to go, right there. It fell a bit. And I really haven't used it much. Probably does not have 10 hours on it. If it has 10, it certainly doesn't have 15. But I've never done an oil change on it before, and you know, time is a factor. So we're going to get the new filter. Put a little oil on that gasket there. I don't know whether you can see that or tell or not, but it is oiled. All right. Thread it back on there. That's hand tight. That's went far enough, I think. Got a little oil on the rag. And over here we have our fill. It's tight. It's coming. All right. Okay, the deed is done. Oil plug is back in. Put that filter in hand tight, and then pushed it about 3/4 of a turn. We put 3 quarts in there. Gonna move this out of the way. We're gonna put on some water and check it for leaks.